Good morning students. Yesterday we completed our first chapter, nouns, types of nouns, common noun, proper noun and collective noun. Today in the second chapter we are going to learn number nouns and gender nouns. What are number nouns? Let's understand it first and then we shall also discuss the examples. Nouns tell us about the numbers of things they name. The numbers of things they name. Nouns that refer to one person or thing is called a singular noun. Generally, the noun which refers one person or a thing is called a singular noun. For example, a flower, an ice cream, a boy. These are single things or person. So, a flower, an ice cream, a boy is a singular noun. Plural noun. As I told you yesterday, number nouns are divided into two types. Singular and plural. Singular and plural. So the nouns that refer to one person or thing is called singular nouns. Nouns that refer to more than one person or thing are called plural nouns. In short, persons, things which are more than one are called plural nouns. So, singular noun refers a person or a thing which is one. It is a singular noun, and noun that refers more than one person or thing is called plural nouns. So, number nouns are divided into two types, singular and plural. You have to understand singular noun means one and plural noun means more than one. So it is very easy to remember. Singular means just one. Plural means more than one. So let's read it one more time, then I will give you more examples. Nouns tell us about the numbers of things or people they name. Nouns that refer to one person or thing is called singular noun. Noun that refers to more than one person or thing is called a plural noun. Generally, plural nouns are more than one. I have given examples. Rivers, benches, toys, girls. Okay, let's learn. Let's try to understand with the help of examples. Balloon is a singular noun. But we have, if you want to make it in plural, more than one balloon, you write balloons. So we have already learned previously that when we want to write plural noun, we add s with the noun. Singular nouns can be changed. As I told you that singular noun can be changed by adding s with the noun. So, balloon, balloons. Class, classes. Here I have added es. So again there are some nouns where we have to add es while changing from singular to Plural. Country. IES. I have added IES. We shall learn all these changes in detail in our further classes. Here I am just giving examples that we can change from singular to plural in various types, in various ways, while adding s or es or ies. Wolf. While changing from singular to plural, we write WOLVES. Here I have added VES. So, while changing from singular to plural, we add S or ES or IES or VES in various types of nouns. So, here are some examples which you can see on the board. So, the first type, while adding just S, singular noun by adding just S, I am giving few examples. Dog, dogs. Hammer, hammers. Book, books. So, here are some very simple nouns where we have changed from singular to plural by just adding S. You can see that by just adding S, we can change them into plural nouns. For singular words ending with the vowel, which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. You know them very well, right? So, these are the vowels. So, in singular words while ending in a vowel plus Y, we add S. For example, key. We write keys. We just add S. Key. The pronunciation is E. So, E. Key. We just add S because the ending in a vowel plus Y, add S to the end of the noun. For example, one more example, ray, raise. So, here we have added S with the Y. For singular words ending in a consonant plus Y, consonant plus Y, what do we have to do? We change Y to IES. We change Y to IES. Consonant plus Y जहाँ पर होता है, we add Y. What do we have to change here? We change from Y to IES. For example, baby. Here it is a consonant and Y. So, we write BABIES, babies. One more example. pastry, pastries. We have changed from, this is consonant plus Y. So we have changed from Y to IES. Story, stories. So I hope that you have understood the first phase of these number nouns. Some of the nouns where we just add S. Some of the nouns where the last pronunciation or last letter is vowel. We write just S with the Y. Here singular noun which ends with consonant plus Y, we change them from Y to IES. Baby, babies. You can see that it is consonant. It is consonant plus Y, and we write babies. We change them into IES. Pastry, pastries. Story, stories. So here in this class, we have just learned that while changing from singular to plural, we make some changes into nouns. In the next class, we will learn further changes which we can make while making singular to plural. Thank you.